Meet Diana. She expected a new beginning, but instead she faced a nightmare. What do you do when your lawyer takes your money and disappears?
I'm Diana Sayers and I'm from a little town called O-1 in Northern Ireland. Throughout my younger years, I was always into the acting, the drama. I did the Irish Feis circuit, worked in the opera house, pantomimes, anything to do with drama. Decided to do law. That moved on. I did my Miss Northern Ireland. Because of that, I was an ambassador for that whole year. I went to China for Miss World. From then, moved to London, did television hosting, moved to Los Angeles, and I decided, you know what, I actually want to continue with my acting. So I studied at the Lee Strasberg Theatre Institute for 2 years, and things have just been rolling from then on. I don't know, there's just something about the United States, and I think they talk about the land of opportunity. It actually is. Initially, I think my immigration search, like trying to find legal representation, was a bit of a disaster. I paid a deposit for an immigration lawyer, and I didn't even get so much as a receipt. He didn't answer telephone calls, he was inefficient, he was hopeless. Therefore, I realized I got to change ship here because nothing's happening, we're not going any further forward. Finally, a friend actually recommended Chris Ingram. I spoke to him on the phone, and within months, 6 weeks of getting the case in order, starting to process it, we applied, I got it granted, and been smiling ever since.
If you are enjoying Diana's journey, like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Actually, in putting the case together, I found I did actually have to put in quite a bit of work, because it's not just, I just can't go, oh right, okay, apply and that's it. No, it was more a case of I had to back up everything that I said, and I felt that the more I had, the more, well, the case is personal to me, the lawyer, if you lose it, very good, but I'm the one that's going to panic if it doesn't go through. Therefore, it's bombarding with as much information as possible just to make sure that it runs safely. So yeah, it took probably 2 months, 2.5 months in getting it organized. Yeah, it was good news. I was happy. But I then went straight back to London. After the petition came in the post, I went back to London, went to the embassy, had a general meeting with them, asked a few questions just to back up that I was who I said I was. And they told me there and then, it's approved, you will have it in the post in a few days. And I think it was 2-3 days later, I had my passport back in Ireland with a visa and everything in it. I personally feel a more positive person. Maybe it's the fact that the sun's shining 99% of the time as opposed to Irish rain and snow. But I feel that that's one thing. I'm more open, I'm culturally more aware. And work-wise, I feel that the opportunities, if you really want something, they're there.
This was just the summary. To watch the full video, tap the play button below.